sometimes you'll sound like that. But don't worry about it. He'll perfect the sound within you. You take your time, and let me give you a tip. The closer you hold your lips, the higher the tone. When you loosen your lips, it'll be a deeper tone. Okay, so sometimes, as for and for women, guys, y'all gotta excuse me for a minute, but for women, you can't have lip gloss. It's not it's not about being pretty. You gotta make sure all of that is off your lips. Sometimes you might want to wet your lips a little bit, but then it can't be too wet, and then it can't be too dry. So you'll learn, you'll figure it out. So let's see how this goes. And that's how you do it. Be blessed in Yeshua's name. Amen.